Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out the top 5 drone camera in 2021. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. I have included options for every type of consumer, so if you are looking for best drone camera money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. The Milo S3 4K GPS Drone. This drone professional 4K camera drone. Folding portable fuselage, it also be portable folding drone, and 5G long distance Wi-Fi image transmission. It also be 4K pixels dual cameras on this drone. This camera view angle 150 degree and frame rate 25 frames per second. This drone 1000 meters remote control distance. Upgrade brushless motor, wind resistance level 7, supports sea flight. The powerful flight performance of the S3 aerial photography aircraft is injected into the small and light body, real-time image transmission, and intelligent follow, which can accompany you when traveling with the easy-to-use app. It helps you fly freely, create as you wish, and discover the beauty of the other side of familiar things. It also be 2200 mAh capacity battery. This drone 28 minutes long battery life, drawer battery, convenient design. It also be increase the voltage and capacity to make flying more interesting and lasting. USB Android smart charging greatly improve charging efficiency. It also be GPS satellite positioning and GPS optical flow positioning. In the process of smart follow, S3 will automatically recognize the movement of the object and perform follow the shooting to easily record cool videos. It also be best professional drone, black, red, white 3 color available on this market. Number 4. ICHINIS 520S Drone Camera. ICHINIS feature-rich drone video camera has a convenient design with foldable arms that makes it easily portable. HD digital image transmission system, 2.4G. 5G Wi-Fi optimized, real-time acquisition of stable high-quality 4K HD images on mobile devices. 5G Wi-Fi first-person view range up to 250 meters. In GPS mode, the RC helicopter drone's movements can be tracked effectively with satellite signals. When the drone receives a signal, it returns to its original position. Any manual interference on the user's part. 2.4 GHz high-frequency signal, remote control distance, supporting multiple aircraft, while playing non-interference. It also be a brushed coreless motor. It also be 1200 mAh battery, and this drone flying time 16 minutes. 4K HD camera with 90 degree wide angle range, 4K pixel, have a better flash of the details of the product, and the view of photo will wider. It also be remote control distance 300 meters. The aircraft will fix the controlling cell phone, and follow the operator whichever direction he moves. It also be one click, the drone will return to its original point, no matter where it was flying. Number 3. 7S F11 PRO Professional Drone. It also be folding design, and controlled with on-hand, travel light. 2-axis 4K HD stabilized gimbal camera. The easy-to-use smart shooting function is matched with excellent images, and the image transmission system is far enough, stable and clear enough, so that a single shot shines. It also be 1.2 kilometers HD image transmission, and 1.5 kilometers remote control distance. It also be 2500 mAh large capacity battery, real-time display of power, long battery life, and easy replacement. 26 minutes extended flight time with a fully charged battery. GPS intelligent tracking system, GPS fixed pointer positioning, flight more stable and refuse to lose. It also be brushless motor, strong power, longer life, and this motor provides strong flying power for the aircraft. It also be intelligent follow system, surround flight, point of interest, and one key curse reversal system. It also be dark and gray 2 color available on market. Number 2. Motole S89 Drone. It also be foldable arms. It is compact and easy to carry. This drone upgrade system, novice operation in seconds. This drone outstanding performance. 4K HD dual wide-angle camera, to provide a wide range of high-definition pictures and videos. High-definition dual lens, as stable as a mountain, and 50x zooming. Wi-Fi image transmission, can watch the picture in real time. It also be 1800 mAh modular large capacity battery, and this drone flight time 15 minutes. It also be 100 meters remote control distance. It also be one key return function. You can easily find a way home. Ballistic flight. Draw a flight path on the screen, and the drone will fly autonomously along the designated direction. It can go up, down, forward, backward, fly on the left, fly on the right, and 360 rolling. 6 Azi's gyro can fly more stably, and is easy to control. It has 3 levels of flight speed switching, which can make flying more interesting. The quadrotor fuselage is made of high-strength and engineering plastics, which is light and durable. Number 1. XKJL900 Pro GPS Drone. This drone folding arms and easy to carry drone, professional aerial photography drone. It also be a 40 megapixel aerial camera, can shoot 4K, quadruple HD resolution video. With electronic anti-shake technology, it greatly improves the stability of aerial pictures, making the memories of every scene clear and smooth. It also be GPS satellite positioning system, flight more stable, refuse to lose. It also be 2200 mAh large capacity battery. This drone flight time about 28 minutes and remote control distance 1200 meters. It also be low power return and one key return system. This drone brushless motor, strong power, points of interest surround, fixed point flight, and real-time transmission. It also be black and gray 2 color available on market.